This Push Tech Satellite TV Experts. So I want to quickly see how to combine 28 and 26E with this single LMB. So I want to I've done it several times, but I want to just show you the shortest of them all. So what you need to do now, you track 28E first. Then after tracking 28E, then you move your dish up to get 26E. I told you that 28 is and 26. So 28 in numbers is higher than 26, but in elevation it will be lower than 26. So 26 in numbers is lower than 28, but in elevation it will be higher than 28. So if I got here as 28, to get 26, just leave it up the same position. Don't turn left, don't turn right, and you'll get both of them. So let's just quickly do that. So quickly attach our LMBF. So let's attach our MBF to this LMBF here. Attach it here. Your LMB port must not be 8, even a single, any of them. Just make sure that it's from single LMBF port is okay. But I'm using 8-way LMB. So first of all, you get the 28E first. This is the frequency popping up. Then after getting it, you look for the 26E combined. So if you go to my previous lectures, you'll see where I did the combination of both, or how to do the combination of both using a single satellite dish. So let's quickly go through now. I want to track 28 now. It's coming up, so we'll track 28. So this is 20. Let's quickly get a satellite. So good, it's Astra. So this is Joy Prime. I'm using Joy Prime frequency. So when you get the Joy Prime like this,
3 intense rounds.
This is Joy Prime. Get your Joy Prime. Getting it like this. So this Joy Prime. Can see. Then after getting the Joy Prime, let me get my spanner and tie the decoder first. After getting your Joy Prime, then you go to your LMB position for 26. So let me first of all tie this one first. So let me quickly tie it.
Someone took counsel. Okay. Right.
So at this point, we got a Joy Prime. It's a 28E. So this 28E, we got a 28E. So what? Let's quickly get 26. So you can just go to. You can actually put it in the same position like this. So this 26. This 26E. The frequency is proper for you. So what you need to do, look at this point. Please, I told you, once you got the 28E, don't move to this place. Don't move to it. Just take it up a bit. Just up a little. And you'll get it. And when you get it, you go back again and check if you've got your 28E still intact. When both of them are intact, then you tie and you're good to go. So let's just look at it. The same position. I'm not moving it to the left. I'm not moving to the right. I'll just take it up. That's it. I've got the MBC. Just the same place. Not moving to the right, not moving to the left. So I've got my MBC.
So let's start with the chassis.
MBC Bollywood. So let me go back again and see if my Joy is still there. That is my 28E is still there. Go to my satellites where I have it. So this is my 28E. So I've successfully combined both of them. Really combine both of them. Let me go back again to my 26E and confirm that is working. Both of them are working. And the good thing is that I got equal percentage quality. Sorry, I got equal quality. 97 for 26E. Then let me go back to my 28E. I also got, oh, it has come down a bit. When I take it up a bit, I've got the 27 back, 97, sorry. So it's the same thing, just do your adjustments. So that's how to combine both of them. Do have a nice time. Go out and practice. We'll see you in our next lecture. Thank you and bye bye.